кресло. Дорога на автобус. А как выглядит мой рабочий офис?
Ukraine's security services have released pictures and video showing the site where a lawmaker turned top traitor was assassinated last week. Ilya Kyva, a former member of the now banned pro-Russian party Opposition Platform for Life, was killed near Moscow on Wednesday. A Kiev Post source in the special services reported that this was a security service of Ukraine, SBU, special operation against Kyva, who had defected to Russia at the beginning of Russia's February 2022 invasion. He was eliminated with small arms, the source said, calling the ex-politician a top traitor, collaborator, and propagandist. One of the new pictures shows Kyva's body lying face down in the snow with flecks of blood surrounding him. Another shows a knife, gun, and binoculars on a tree. A source told Ukrinform, "This is a signal to all traitors and war criminals who have flipped to the enemy side. Remember, Russia will not protect you." As Vasyl Maliuk, head of the SBU, said earlier, death is the only prospect that awaits the enemies of Ukraine. Andriy Yusov, spokesman for the Ukrainian Military Intelligence Service, HUR, also confirmed Kyva's death last week, saying, "Such a fate will await other traitors of Ukraine." Yusov called Kyva one of the biggest scumbags, traitors, and collaborators, and said his death was justice. The video released by the SBU shows the observation post used by the assassins. A man can be seen walking in the distance, but it is not clear if this is Kyva himself or someone else. The SBU source said his movement routes, daily routine, and habits had been studied in detail. Kyva fled Ukraine on the eve of the Russian invasion, allegedly for a vacation in Europe. Later, he acknowledged that he was in Russia. He was a regular guest on Russian TV channels focused on spreading Russian propaganda, where he supported Russia's war against Ukraine and called on Ukrainians to surrender. Kyva claimed that Ukraine is enslaved and brought to its knees by the West, permeated by Nazism, and it has no future. He called Russia's invasion a necessary liberation. Kyva was also thought to be close to Viktor Medvedchuk, a former Ukrainian politician, oligarch and close friend of Russian President Vladimir Putin. In Ukraine, Kyva was accused of treason and sentenced in absentia to 14 years in prison. On the same day that Kyva was killed, AFP reported that a Russian-backed politician who served as a proxy lawmaker in Ukraine's eastern Luhansk region was killed in a car bombing attack. In the afternoon of December 6, 2023, Oleg Popov, a deputy of the first and third convocations of the People's Council of the Luhansk People's Republic, was killed in Luhansk as a result of a detonation in a car of an unidentified device, Russian investigators said. Today, the Russian attacks on the Ukrainian drill head in Krinky on the left bank of the Dnieper continued. Soldiers from the 328th Regiment of the 104th Airborne Division attempted to storm the Ukrainian positions from 3 directions, without success as artillery and drones ground. Ukraine's third separate assault announced the withdrawal from the exhausting section of the front. "We are going to rebuild in order to become a powerful and most technological unit of the Ukrainian army," the brigade said in a statement. We are now deciding where the border between Russia and the West will be. They would like it to be somewhere near Rostov, and we would like it somewhere near Krakow. Propagandists openly admit their plans to capture all of Ukraine. If they succeed, they won't stop there.
Мы находимся в фазе глобальной перестройки, в фазе исторического цивилизационного выбора. И выбор это предельно простой. Быть или не быть. Он такой шекспировский. Очевидно, что Россия, русский мир, наша цивилизация выбирает быть. А быть – это значит решать все те вопросы, о которых ты говоришь. Решить вопрос национальной безопасности, стабильности наших границ. Новых границ многополярного мира. Ведь мы же сейчас это решаем, где будет проходить граница между Западом и Россией. Они хотели бы, чтобы где-то под Ростовом, мы хотели бы, чтобы где-нибудь под Краком.
Last year, Lockheed completed an 85,000 square feet expansion to its Camden facility to support production for the PAC-3 MSE missile. Funded in 2019, this is the first significant expansion for the MSE following the 2018 FRP approval and allows for more than 500 deliveries a year, which is a rise of more than 60%. And for the end, we have to see the eccentric president of Argentina. As his first executive order, Argentina's President Javier Milei reduced the number of government ministries from 21 to 9. He got rid of the Ministry of Women, Genders and Diversity and others cabinets too, leaving Economy Minister Luis Caputo, Security Minister Patricia Bullrich, Defense Minister Luis Petri, Interior Minister Guillermo Francos, Health Minister Mario Russo, Justice Minister Mariano Cuneo Libarona, Human Capital Minister Sandra Petovello, Infrastructure Minister Guillermo Ferraro, Foreign Minister Diana Mondino, and the Chief of Staff Nicolas Passi.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.